Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. First, make a system restore point so changes are reversible. Next, check Windows Update, install any pending patches that often fix restart loops. Once done, disconnect USB drives and printers to rule out hardware conflicts. This isolates the problem. Then open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, and view update history, identify failures. If an update failed, record its KB number. Make sure to restart only after updates finish installing, not mid-process. Now we dig deeper. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. This repairs corrupt system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to reconstruct the image. Once complete, reboot into safe mode. If restart stop, a driver or service is guilty. Disable fast startup in Power Options because it can corrupt shutdown state. Finally, in Device Manager, update or roll back display and chipset drivers. Make changes one at a time and test restarts between steps. To finish, remove any recent updates or apps that began before the restart issue. Use Control Panel or Settings to uninstall selectively. Reset your power plan to defaults and run the built-in Windows Troubleshooter for Power and Windows Update. These automate small fixes. If problems persist, perform an in-place upgrade repair install using the Media Creation tool. This preserves files while replacing system files. One key tip: if the PC still reboots, check Event Viewer for critical errors, and note exact error codes before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.